How's it going, YouTube? Don't worry, it's not beer, just a monster. Anyways, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Me DYangBass. Today, I'm starting my intro. I keep staring at this screen because the new camera that I'm using as of right now, temporary camera. But today we are starting the intro in my house because I want to talk to you guys about a reel that's been going around for a little bit now. And a lot of you guys been asking me, what reel am I using and like what is it basically? So here it is. I want to show you guys before we get into some like fishing. You guys know the good stuff and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So with that being said, let's get right to it. I'm actually gonna sit down, crouch, lay down on my couch here to show you guys exactly what I want to show you guys because I don't want to hold the camera the entire time while talking to you guys. So here it is, guys. You guys ready? Well, I already showed it before I said that. Failed. I got the new Okuma Samar HD. The craziest thing, the best thing about this reel is that it's only $89.99. Yes, that is correct. You guys heard that. So 90 bucks plus tax wherever you're from. It is $89.99 online right now. So you guys can go ahead and check it out. okumafishingusa.com. We'll leave the links right down below. If you guys want to know more about the specs, go and check it out on the website. Again, links down below. But in this video, I'm just going to be talking about how I feel about it. Why do I like it? Why I don't like it? You know, stuff like that. And I've been using it for what? The past 2 weeks now. And I gotta say, man, this reel is awesome. So there's a lot of stuff that I like about this reel, and I tried really hard to find something that I didn't like about this reel, but especially when it's at this price of $90, there's nothing for you to really complain about it, you know? I mean, I guess the one thing that's probably doesn't even matter, right? It doesn't matter too much is the bail size. In my opinion, I like it just a little thinner, maybe silver, but again, that's just so small. Like, that doesn't even matter. That doesn't affect the performance or anything. It might make it lighter by grams, I guess, for the size 1000, 2500, and 3000. This could be a little smaller, but other than that, this is nothing. Like, it's nice that it's bulky because you can grab it right away. It clicks, you know. You can go ahead and click it up and down, you know. There's nothing wrong with it. That's just something really small details that I just personally prefer. Is just smaller bill size here. Other than that, for 90 bucks, you can't really complain for a full package reel that's just as smooth, as slick, as stylish, as up-to-date technology as this reel right here. So right off the bat, I love how it looks, right? It's a slick, dope looking color. It's black and red. It's like aggressive yet neutral at the same time. I feel like it's a very neutral color to pair with different rods out there. It's very smooth. When you go ahead and cast, the line flies out of the spool super smooth. I feel like it's a lot lighter than the older one as well. The material that they use on here is it's not like a shiny, what do you call it? Like a shiny smooth finish, but it is like a matte color, which I like a lot because I love that matte look to it. This is the T handle for the 3000. This is a size 3000, but I got the 3000 because I really wanted to dial into like big fish to small fish, right? Because with the 3000 size spool, it's still the same, like it's still the same size for, you know, overall like the body and everything. It's just that the spool is a little deeper than the 2500. You can back spool it with like 20 to 25 yards of fluoro of 6-pound test, 8-pound test, and then put the braid on there. Other than that, I fished in deep water, shallow water, casting, skipping, plastics on the bridges. If you guys seen the white bass video, pumping flies, pumping minnows, pumping gulp, fishing 20 feet of water. To us, that's deep. Okay, if you want to fish deeper, it'll do the job just fine as well. The T-knob here, the grip texture on this, it's very different to a lot of the reels that I came across, okay? You see that right there? It spins really freaking fast. It's super smooth. The grip texture here, it's really nice. When it gets wet, it's not slippery. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just very grippy. It's not tacky, but it's very grippy. Even if you get your hand wet, you can still be able to like get your hand on here and turn the knob. So let me say it again, it's $90 for this size 3000. It's different price obviously when you go down to the size and list. If you're looking for a budget reel that can do it all, that looks good, feels good, that you can rely on, for $90 you get a lot with this full package. You can do so much with this reel. So yeah, I think I did enough talking about this reel. Let's get into this white bass fishing video. I took my bro Danny out and we did some white bass fishing. He's never done like a fully white bass fishing season for the fall or spring, so I'm like, dude, let's go have fun, like after work hours. That's cool too, you know. Him and his fiance, they wanted some fish, his family wanted some fish, so let's go out and do some white bass fishing. Let's have a good time. And in this video, I'll be talking about how to catch them. I'll try to put the clips of me like explain to him like what you gotta do, how do you jig it, how letting it fall through the water column and stuff like that, and hopefully you guys learn something from today's video. So with that being said, check out the new Okuma Samar HD. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. I'll see you guys in this outing. Peace. All right, so we got Danny here, first time out for the white bass. Yeah, dude, throw it over there and just like that, you know. Look what I'm doing. Got him. My drag wasn't set. I told you, bro. Look at that. Yeah, just jig it hard, dude. Like make it seem like the bait is trying to run away, you know? See? And they whack, dude. They hit it really hard. Yeah, they hit it like there's no tomorrow. Like, first by bad with Danny. My drag was a little too loose. Yeah, they just got him. Oh, you got him, you got him. Oh, Danny, you got one. Keep it high, keep it high. They fight hard, dude. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they fight hard, dude. Oh, hurry before he comes off. Oh, yay, dude, this is a take, dude. Nice. Took you only 1,000 years. Just like that, yeah. Throw it over and shake it back.
Bro, that's freaking awesome.
Yeah, they fight hard, dude. Oh, we got one. Look at this. I told you. Dude, oh, this is a nice one, dude. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh my gosh. Dude, this guy's huge. Look. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Yep, you get him. Look at that. Big old. Hold it up, bro.
Dude, that's so cool, dude.
There you go, see? Yeah, yep. So, oh, right by the boat, dude. Oh. Swing him, swing him, swing him. Oh. Yeah, he's still fighting. I told you they bite right by the boat. Dang, he inhaled it, bro. Nice. Oh, it's still good, dude. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, those are like average size, man. Yeah, just like that, bro. Easy peasy, man. Jeez. Boy, Danny's on. He's on point today. Yep. He's gonna snatch it, dude. Let it fall, yep, let it fall. It's just like working a flute. Got him, dude. Oh, oh, Danny's on. Have to take your time fighting, yeah. Yeah, it is, but dude, there's a ton of them, dog. There's a lot of them. I know, it's fun, dude. Yeah. Now you understand why I come out here? Oh my god, I failed, dude. They're heavy, dude. Yeah. They're heavy fish right now. Oh, I got one. Right in front of the boat. Yep, no, this is fine, dude. These are nice, man. They got nice back to them. They're not skinny, you know. It's cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you wanna like kind of snap it like this, you know, and let it fall, snap it again, and maybe retrieve, catch the line. Yeah, just follow it, you know. Dry right there. You see that? Look at this. Absolutely insane, dude. And like, if you're lucky, you can get like a school to follow the same white bass. Yep. You're good. Yeah, it's perfect. Look at this. Yeah. Quality fish, man. All time at its finest. So clean. That's a nice one, Daddy. Got him. Yeah, Daddy. Dude, that one fight's good, dude. Ooh, what is that? What was that? All right, man. Got to get the net. Oh, it's a nice one, dude. Swing him in. Oh, grab the line. You just grab the line. Yep, grab the line and just swing him in. There you go, yeah. Good job, man. Look, over. Oh, they're boiling. Hurry, bro. Hurry, hurry, hurry. They're blowing up again. Look, right here, right here. Got him. Like, there's days, like there's hours where your lure cannot touch the water, dude. You just can't. It's impossible, bro. Alright, so what I'm doing is, I'm just casting out there. It's pretty shallow. It drops down to 10 feet, 11 feet, and then like 20 over there. So I'm letting this bait free fall a little bit. I make a cast, let it fall. Bring it back, let it fall. Just catch those, got one. Water column. Just like that, guys. Yep. So I'm working that column very efficiently, making sure it's falling to that area where they're feeding. So right now they're not like top watering, if that make any sense. They're kind of hitting like mid-range. So just letting it fall for like 2-3 seconds is key. Oh jeez, almost slipped. Yeah. Seaweeds are blowing in now. Oh gosh, I was not ready for that. It was just falling too. Dude, they fight so freaking hard. Alright. Yes, sir. Here we go. That was the guy that was surfacing earlier. Got him. Oh my. Jeez, dude. They're so crazy. Sheesh. Just like that, boy. Man, I love it. So freaking chunky, bro.
That's a nice chicken.